So welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I am Kathy Dorleans, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey, what are you doing? How are you? How was your week? But yeah, so today we're doing a different type of video. Today it's all about unboxing literally one of my first luxurious bags. So I'm super excited for this video. This video is also sponsored by the company Teddy Blake, so I'm super excited that they've partnered with me on this video to do a collab on their luxurious bags. So this is the first time I hear about Teddy Blake. When they reached out to me, I was just like, oh my god, like, let me see what you guys are all about. And I was honestly pleasantly surprised. For those that don't know what Teddy Blake is a luxurious Italian real leather bags. All right, and just to give you a kind of a background of who Teddy Blake is and what they're all about, I'm just gonna kind of read a little about me. It's very short. So basically, Teddy Blake is actually located in New York City. So what they're all about is luxury can be affordable, using the same Italian pelletries to handpick our leather and the same factories to create our bags as expensive luxury brands. With Teddy Blake, there's no compromise on the quality of your leather bag and there's no charge on the label. Enjoy the Teddy Blake experience. So they are premium leather made in Italy. So basically, in sense, what Teddy Blake is trying to do is that not everybody can afford Louis Vuitton, Gucci purses, and all these amazing luxurious brands. So what they do, they don't compromise on their leather. So they use the same leather as those big exotic luxurious brand, and they just make it a little bit more affordable for people like me that just want to enjoy luxury bags and that just want to enjoy bags that can sustain the test of time. So that's what we're all about. So this video is basically gonna be an unboxing video, a review of their bags, so just to show you what their bag actually look like. As well, if you look in the description, you'll see that they're currently having a 70% off sale. So if I were you, I would get it on it right now. Alright, so the Teddy Blake comes in this big beautiful white box, and it has their name on it and it says New York City. When you open the box, it has like this magnet here, so when you flick it opens just like this, and it has like a writing right there, and it says Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbag made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choices. I really love that. Super cute. I'm all about like amazing boxes because they do go a long way. They also have another word here. It says discover your Teddy Blake designer handbag. Yeah, I love boxes. Like, this box is so nice, and I'm definitely gonna be using it as a decor, to be honest. So yes, so it comes really well packaged. It comes in a bubbly plastic bag here, so I'm just gonna take that off from the bag. So I'm just gonna take it out, and it comes in this little bag that has Teddy Blake on it. Super cute, super luxurious, like in the sense that like all luxurious company give you like this little mesh bag to put your purses in. So this is really cute. I really love that. So I remember that I specifically picked the color lilac because just if I were to honestly show you my bag collection, there's a lot of black, a lot of nude, and a lot of white and clear. So I wanted something a little brighter for the summer and spring, so I definitely chose a lilac color. So I'm excited to see how it looks. Nice. So this is the purse, guys. I got a 9-inch lilac. It's from the collection Ava. Super duper cute. Like, look at this. I'm all about tiny purses, guys. Like, only like my black bags I would get like bigger bags, but like for like fashion and style purposes, I love smaller dimension bags. This is so cute. It smells like, honestly, like real leather. Oh my goodness, it has their logo right here. Yeah, and the thing about this purse, it comes with like those little gold buttons at the bottom, just to, if you don't want to get your purse dirty, this is super perfect. Like, if I were to put it here, super perfect, it will not get dirty. I really love that about this purse. It's super duper cute. Like, guys, please comment below if you are loving this color lilac. Anyway, so how do you open this purse? So basically, you twist the knobs here, you twist it here, and then you just flick open the little panels here, you flick open this panel, and then you just open it like this. So this is pretty much how it looks on the inside. I'm just gonna quickly take off this. It's so well packaged. I really love this. Like, it's keeping the form and dimension of the purse, so that's really amazing. Comes with the belt for your purse, so super perfect if you wanted to wear it longer or not. And then yeah, so the inside is actually quite deep. Oh my goodness. So this is pretty much how it's looking on the inside. Super simple, nothing too extravagant. Very spacious. I do say so myself, because smaller person usually are not that spacious, so I really like the fact that this is super spacious. So I'm just gonna close it back down here. But yeah, so this is pretty much how this purse looks. You can see that it's a very well made bag and it's very sturdy, and I definitely know that the fact that this is also real leather is gonna last me a very long time. So this is perfect. This is gonna match super duper cute with outfits I'm gonna be wearing. You'll definitely see this on my Instagram. So also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely check me out on Instagram. This is pretty much the bag, guys. I really do encourage you to go to the Teddy Blake website and get your own. There are different sizes, different colors, other leather texture that you can find on their website. I honestly will be now putting in my own coins so you can get more purses from there, because these are the type of purses that you want in your collection, because this will last you such a long time, guys, and you don't need to buy like those fast fashion purses on like other website. Like, this is a website I would all encourage you to go. Again, they are having a 70% sale right now. I don't know how long it lasts, but definitely go check them out. All the details about that company will be in my description below. So yeah, so welcome to my new collection. We're gonna be, you know, going out and doing so much stuff together. But yeah, so here it is, guys. Thank you again to Teddy Blake for sending me this purse. I am definitely gonna enjoy wearing it all the time. All right, so my final thoughts on this unboxing review of this luxury purse. I definitely love it. It is real leather. It's Italian leather. It is honestly comparable to any other company like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, all these luxurious purses that you see. The leather is the same. Still very pricey, but at the same time is still affordable luxury. And I really love their message and their brand and what they're all about. And honestly, for all my girls out there that are on a budget but do want to again have a purse that will sustain you for a very long time, this company is the way to go. Alright, so thank you guys for joining me today. Don't forget to like and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you bought a purse. I will see you on my next upload. Bye.